most of the English learners are working very hard to speak English language fluently and accurately. But when it comes to the part of real English speaking, it becomes very difficult for them to speak. They feel frustrated, they feel disappointed, and they feel stupid. Hey, today in this video, I'll tell you how to overcome this problem. When you are watching a movie, when you are watching a podcast, listening to song, you what you do, you actually watch that movie or podcast with subtitle. When you are watching movie with subtitle, you do one thing, or you train only one part of your body, and that is your eye. You actually try to train, or you're training your eyes to read. You are not listening, or you are not actually trying to listen, or you are not speaking at all. So this is a very serious problem when you are watching any movie or any podcast with subtitle, right? So whenever you're watching with subtitle, you think that you understand that yes, everything is okay, I'm improving day by day, everything is getting improved. But when you start speaking, it becomes very difficult for you, or for most of the English learners, to speak. So how to overcome this problem? So first thing is, when you are watching a movie, you are not supposed to watch any movie with any of the subtitle, right? So one strategy or one technique that you are to apply is that you are to watch without any of the subtitle, right? So if you don't understand without subtitle, it's okay, but at the first time you won't be able to understand, it's okay, but with the passage of time you will be able to understand. So first time, watch it without subtitle. Then once again, watch it without subtitle. This time, focus on the intonation pattern. Focus on, without subtitle, the focus on the rhythm, emotions as well. And the third time, you can watch with the subtitle only those parts which you never understand. So this is the first strategy, or the first point, that you are to focus to yourself or in yourself, that you are not to watch any movie or any English series, or whatever you are watching in English, you are not to watch with subtitle.